Caitlin, are you gonna go for a ride on your tractor? There you go. Vroom, vroom. There you go. Good girl. Oh, don't run over doggy. Vroom, vroom. What sound does the tractor make?